How's it going, everyone? So today I'm going to talk about how to get rid of a hickey after 24 hours. So before I get started, please subscribe to my channel if you guys haven't already. I do appreciate the support. It helps my channel grow. Also, if you're interested in online personal training from me, simply comment below in the comments section. I will get back to you guys with more details. So I got this question from a subscriber. They have gotten a hickey. It's been 24 hours, they can't get rid of it no matter what, and they need to get rid of it as soon as possible. So I'm going to show you guys a very easy trick that you can do, and it always works because getting rid of a hickey is just based on knowing what a hickey is, you guys. A hickey is just a bruise on the skin, and in order to get rid of a bruise, all you need to do is rub it. This creates friction, which causes blood flow to happen in the hickey, and it removes it. I recommend rubbing the hickey for 2 minutes straight. Do this 2 to 3 times a day. Chances are though, after the first 2 minutes, the hickey will be completely gone. So again, I will show you guys right now. I have a coin. Now, I don't have a hickey right now, but I'll show you guys for a minute what we will do. Also, the key to remember here is after you rub this on your skin for 1 minute, it's going to look worse than when you started. So what's going to happen is you're going to rub it for a minute. It's going to look bad after that. It's going to look all red, and you're probably going to be thinking, wow, this did not work at all. Wait 15 to 20 minutes. After the redness goes away, your hickey will be gone day, you guys. If this doesn't work, try rubbing it for 2, 3, 4, 5 minutes in a row. Guarantee after that, it will be gone. I have done a video before for another subscriber. They got a hickey, and this does work, you guys. Actually, it helps a ton of people out. So I got another question from a subscriber. That's why we're going over this video. So again, here's the coin. Let's start rubbing. Just rub for about a minute, you guys. So I'll show you. I'll just rub on this part. So again, all you're doing is you're getting the coin. Doesn't matter what coin you use, and just rub the area. So again, rub it for 1 minute. Again, I recommend rubbing it for 2 minutes. I'm just going to show you guys 1 minute so the video doesn't take too long. And chances are you guys probably don't want to see me rubbing this for a full 2 minutes. 1 minute, you guys probably get the idea. But again, this does work because, again, a hickey is just a bruise. And by doing this, we create blood flow. Also, you'll notice when I'm done rubbing it that my neck's going to look pretty red. So again, once you're done doing this, I know you're probably going to be like, wow, this guy just made my hickey look way worse. And people have said that before. But then after they wait about 10-15 minutes, guess what? Their hickey's completely gone. This redness is just from rubbing. This will go away 10-15 minutes tops. And your hickey will also be gone. So again, you just rub it, keep rubbing it. And again, rub for at least 2 minutes the first time. Wait 10-15 minutes. If it's still not gone, rub for about 3, 4, 5 minutes. And chances are, that will easily get rid of it. So again, let's just see how red mine is. My neck, it's pretty red. So that's what people will say. They'll be like, oh, my neck's really red, it doesn't work. Wait 5-10 minutes, 15 minutes, it will be gone. So that is how you get rid of a hickey. Trust me, this does work. End the video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you guys haven't already. Please like the video and share it. Thanks again, everyone.